Well, insurance companies are using drones to fly over properties that they insure without the homeowner knowing, and then using the photos in some cases to cancel the policies. A Topsfield woman telling the I-Team her insurer gave her just weeks to trim trees or she would lose her coverage.
WBZ Chief Investigator Cheryl Fiandaca dug into this controversial policy and went looking for answers.
It was very invasive because they had taken a picture of my house without me knowing, which was really kind of crazy.
Lynn Schuler's homeowners insurance company sent a drone to spy on her Topsfield property. Weeks later, she got an email with the photo.
They were canceling my insurance. They had showed a drone coming over the house at some point, and there was some tree branches hovering over my house that they wanted removed. I wasn't home because my car wasn't in the driveway.
Lynn says she only had about a month and a half to get the limbs removed, or her policy would be canceled.
I was nervous. I was very nervous. I'm like, how much is this going to cost? And can I find somebody to take these branches down? And plus, I was losing branches on beautiful trees.
And that wasn't Lynn's only concern. She worried that it would affect her mortgage if she lost her insurance.
I think it's becoming very, very common.
Consumer advocates say insurance companies are using drone surveillance to get images of the property they are insuring. Those images are then analyzed by AI and computers.
People are getting dropped on the basis of, oh, we see mold on your roof, or we see damaged roof tiles, or there's trees touching your house. Risk factors that insurance companies are increasingly on the lookout for.
And that top branch is the one that was getting close to the roof.
Lynn was lucky and got a tree company to remove the branches fast so she could keep her insurance.
It ended up costing $1,200. I had no choice.
We are pushing for there to be some reasonable limits on insurance companies' ability to take these photos and use them. But of course, insurance companies are pushing back. And you know, the fight is on.
It's a fight that Worcester Representative David LaBeouf brought to the State House.
What will your legislation do for consumers?
It gives you the right, if your homeowner's insurance policy is not renewed because of the use of an aerial image, to actually see that image, to know when it was taken, to have the defects identified, and to create a appeals and cure process.
Lynn says she's all set for this year, but doesn't think she's out of the woods.
I had insurance with this company for the last 12 years with no claims, knock on wood. And, you know, I've been a good customer to them. I'm reinstated for at least a year. I hope that they don't send another drone over.
But Lynn's insurance company could send another drone to check on her property at any time without notifying her. As for the consumer rights bill, that could come up for a vote next year. Cheryl Fiandaca, WBZ News.
And late today, the association representing insurance companies sent the I-Team a statement that reads in part, the use of drones are a less invasive solution to spotting safety risks, claiming the technology is helpful to mitigate property loss and critical to lowering the cost of insurance long term. But I'm guessing this is not a battle that's over yet when you have homeowners saying we should have a heads up here.
It is. It's a tricky little debate.
It is.
Isn't it?
New frontier.